Hello, guys. Welcome back to Insomniac, the number two podcast in the world.
दिस मंथ दो इवेंट्स हुए थे ना बॉक्सिंग के। एक था सबसे बड़ा फ्लॉयड वर्सेस लोगन पॉल व्हिच वाज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग एक्चुअली, एंड द
Yeah,
सेकंड वन वाज टिकटॉक वर्सेस
YouTube.
यूट्यूब। या टिकटॉक वर्सेस यूट्यूब। और सो टुडे दैट्स द मेन टॉपिक ऑफ आवर पॉडकास्ट, ये वाला एपिसोड। एंड हमारे पास एक और गेस्ट है,
We
स्पेशल
have a
गेस्ट।
guest joining us. Saurav, say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Saurav. I'm also an introducer. I'm also in comedians, and they didn't mention me in the previous podcast. That was I was angry on.
This
Yes,
comedian
yes.
is
Okay,
dead.
whatever.
We had to call him up on this podcast because we didn't introduce him last podcast. But jokes apart, we called him because Saurav has quite great knowledge about boxing as well as influencers, YouTubers, and TikTokers. That's what I mean. And Saurav, would you like to brief our audience how the YouTube boxing started?
So it all started when Joe Weller fought a guy who was irrelevant. So I'm not gonna take the name.
Yeah, we don't know his name, guys.
then
We have quite professionals, but we don't know his name.
then KSI calls out Joe Weller. KSI knocks him out. Then KSI calls out the Paul brothers, but the Paul brothers were scared, so they
Hey, okay, no,
fought
no, 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 no,
KSI was a
no.
great
Stop
Paul.
right there. Okay, firstly,
KSI was
guys,
a great
let me
Paul,
just
yeah.
tell you all that I'm the only Paul fan over here. All of these are freaking UK brats and I'm against them apparently on this
Ooh.
podcast. So just to
cool.
brief again, when KSI was fighting Joe Weller, I think the sidemen beef was also going on. So many of the sidemen were against KSI that time.
Yeah.
But regardless of the fact, I think they sorted out and KSI knocked out Joe Weller, I think in round 3 or round 4. And it was a great event altogether.
The
But
first big
then,
event.
yeah, right. And
yeah, it
it
was
was
like the
2018.
biggest.
It was starting of 2018. And by हाँ और ऊपर से 2018 में लोगन पॉल का सुसाइड वीडियो भी हुआ था. I didn't need to include that, but I had to. Right, so it was his worst moment. So I think probably because of that, KSI called out the Paul brothers when he defeated Joe Weller. And on August 25th, 2018, a
उसके
very
पहले क्या
special day,
हुआ
by
था?
the way.
उसके पहले तो क्या बोलता?
Yeah,
Both the brothers was like scared, na? So they called their dad to fight him.
that was
Yeah.
good.
I forgot about that.
That was okay. That was just for clout, and that was for promoting the fight. For a matter of fact, Logan accepted KSI uske response video mein. So shut up about that. Okay, so getting to the point. So August 25th, 2018 pe KSI has a younger brother Deji. Logan has
Deji
a younger
versus
brother
Jake
Jake. So Deji versus Jake Paul happened, and Logan versus KSI happened. It was a great event, to be very honest. Honestly, the best event
Draw
till
हुआ
now.
यार.
No, except that, altogether the production and everything was good. आजकल के तो इतने घटिया होने लगे हैं production, but
भाई,
anyways,
exactly.
right. So that
Especially
was a good
social
event.
gloves.
Exactly.
Right.
Social gloves is garbage.
We'll get to that, guys. We'll get to that. Hold your horses. So Jake Paul defeated Deji by technical knockout in round 5, and Logan versus
Deji's best
KSI.
fight.
Yeah, True. Logan versus KSI was a draw.
Yeah.
Rishabh or Arjun, go on from here. What happened next?
फिर सबसे फेमस आया ना, जेक पॉल क्या बोल रहा हूँ, KSI versus Logan Paul 2.
Yeah,
The best
I don't
fight
want to
till now.
talk about
Best fight till now.
No.
KSI
Yeah.
wins easily यार. क्या destroy क्या मतलब है ना?
Yeah,
Logan Paul
okay. I just don't
Pura.
want you to talk in this podcast. This is the reason. These people are so
They will
biased. I don't even like them talking. So basically, Logan got a 2-point deduction.
because
By
he
the way,
cheated.
yeah, factually speaking, the last time a boxer got a 2-point deduction was Mike Tyson, who bit someone's ear. That is the time someone got a 2.
Matter, na. It doesn't
It doesn't
matter.
But
matter.
KSI also got a knockdown,
Yeah.
which was
wasn't
not
pointed.
counted.
Yeah, exactly. So shut up.
Okay, we'll get. I agree with that. Agreed. So basically, the 2-point deduction costed Logan the fight, but at the end of the day, KSI won, and Jake Paul, basically the undefeated 1-0 boxer who defeated Deji, wanted to fight KSI, but KSI told before that Anison Gibb needs to be Jake Paul's
Yeah.
stepping stone. So if he defeats Gibb, then only KSI will accept Jake Paul's offer. So in January of 2020, if I'm not
Darkest
mistaken.
day. Darkest day.
Yeah, it was one of the best fights ever when Gibb
No.
got absolutely
Yeah,
destroyed.
scrap Gibb.
got destroyed in Miami
अरे, Gibbs
by Jake
sneezed 3
Paul.
times ना that morning, इसलिए he
Okay,
lost.
yeah. So
And he was a crab that day.
okay,
Yeah,
so
exactly.
basically Jake Paul, from there everyone became a fan of Jake Paul because he was quite good at boxing.
No one is
And
fan
then
of Jake Paul,
KSI
bro.
KSI took a step back and he wanted to do music, and Jake Paul then went on fighting an retired NBA player, Nate Robinson. He destroyed him in 2 rounds, and then he
Jake
fought
Paul
Ben
से बहुत
Askren.
fight किया है यार, बहुत fight किया
Yeah,
है.
so he fought Ben Askren. He defeated him in 1 round, which apparently Ben Askren was an ex-MMA fighter, test fighter. So everyone thought
He
that
had
he
a
will be
broken
able to
hip, bro.
defeat.
He had a broken hip. How will he
Exactly,
fight?
exactly. That's not the thing. The point is the odds were against Jake Paul, and he proved all of them wrong. Okay, that is there. So basically, the Jake Paul wave started because of that, and then came Logan. So out of nowhere,
Yeah, out
firstly,
of nowhere.
Logan versus Floyd was announced. I guess 2 days after Nate Robinson versus Jake Paul for February the 3rd. Then the fight got postponed to June 6th. And that time pe another event just like 2018 ka YouTubers wala event, YouTube versus TikTok was going to happen. So that was another event everyone was gassed for. So that happened in June on June 12th. And either of you, sorry, just tell who were the undercards if you know.
So at the start, it was Tanner Fox versus Nick Austin. Both are
Irrelevant.
irrelevant. Then
We'll talk
was
about
an
that. We'll
amazing
talk about
fight.
that. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that. Huh? Go on. Go on.
Faye Jarvis versus Michael Lee. DDT versus Nate. We got Gibb
Wyatt.
versus Taylor.
Holter.
Deji versus.
Yeah, Deji
Okay,
versus
shut up.
Holter. Yeah,
Bryce versus McGroom. And yeah.
Yeah,
Not
that's
my
the
broom.
that's the
So-
whole list.
right. So, what were your thoughts on the event, Arjun?
No, it was
That's
kind of weird.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
none of them even boxed.
Right,
And
right,
there were so many TikTokers who I have not even heard of. And these guys had more followers than these YouTubers
The
had
YouTubers.
subscribers.
right. On TikTok.
Yeah, and most of them were irrelevant, except for like Deji, Bryce, McBroom, Gabe Taylor, except for that, and Jarvis as well, obviously, because of his Fortnite ban.
Former ban.
That's insane,
And
bro.
he
That's
showed
insane.
the Epic employees what he would do to them.
Huh. So basically, firstly, we'll talk about Tanner Fox, who has 10.5 million followers on subscribers on YouTube, and Nick Austin. I don't know who that guy is. Firstly,
I don't
उन
even
लोग
know
का
who
height
Tanner Fox
difference was
is.
so much. I know him because he's one of the American Jake Paul wala type of banda sidekicks. But anyways, getting to him, the height difference and in the weighing we saw that there was a massive height difference and weight difference also. That's why Tanner Fox 1 day before the fight backed out. He literally backed out of the fight. So basically that happened, but honestly he was in the main card, so no one cared that much
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, actually.
So let's talk about Deji over here firstly.
Deji is Deji यार. क्या बोलेंगे इसके बारे में? क्या
So
What?
बोलेंगे?
He's from the
he
African
showed up in a
UK.
dad body.
Yeah, exactly.
Dad bod eating some McDonald's.
Drinks from McDonald's. I mean, Deji worked hard for the last few months, but he was not in shape before that, which caused him to lose the fight.
Yeah.
Who-
He
why
did no
not?
And
cardio.
also, no. Don't get us wrong, guys. We aren't saying that fat people cannot win fight. That's absolutely wrong. It's just that someone
Stamina
like
नहीं था,
Andy Ruiz,
stamina was
yeah,
zero.
exactly. He had no stamina, no endurance. If
He
you
had
com-
no
if you're-
endurance.
Right. If
Yeah.
you're comparing
After
Tyson
the
Fury
first
to Deji,
round-
then you are just naive. Go on,
Yeah.
Saurav.
Then Deji basically showed up in a dad body and had no stamina left after the second round.
He won the
And-
first and second round, by the way, if you look at the scorecards. But
Yeah.
third round, he took a knee, something like that. Go on.
Yeah.
Deji
Okay.
का तो पूरा
So
घटिया
third
था.
round में
Deji.
Deji got stopped by Vinny Hacker. पता नहीं ऐसे नाम कैसे आते हैं, but okay. Vinny Hacker.
Hack into your
He's
life.
a
He hacked
18-year-old
his camp
boy.
यार.
18-year-old boy who everyone thought is going to die when he will fight Deji, but it was the only TikTok win that day. Funnily.
Yeah, only TikTok. पे.
Funnily.
सब लोग
Okay.
everyone saying कि ये पैसा के लिए कर रहा है ये. वो खुद बोला I'm doing this
वो
for the
खुद
money.
बोला
Exactly.
उसने and you know what, it's all right if you're being, at least he's being honest, at least he's not being fake. So that's what we respect.
Taylor Holder.
But talking about being honest and real, let's talk about Holder versus Gibb.
Gibb, easy win. Easy win. Actually, the easiest win
Yeah.
there. नहीं, actually, Bryce Hall भी fight किया था. Never mind.
Okay, wait. So basically, all of you initially thought कि the judges का fault था, and the judges were the reason Taylor Holder got the win, but that was false. क्योंकि जब गिव को जो 1 या 2 दिन बाद में जो स्टेटमेंट आया उसने इसमें लिखा था he won by unanimous decision. That means कि the judges ने all 3 of the judges unanimous, okay, I'll get that straight. Unanimous decision means when all 3 of the judges are on the favor of one fighter. So
हाँ,
that is
तो
unanimous
मतलब उसका
decision.
कैंप ब्रेक किया था ना, मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ, तो
हाँ,
मिसकम्युनिकेशन
yeah.
इतना ऑब्वियस था.
It was
पता है,
obvious
वो
because
उसका
the
जो
pointing also.
social gloves था ना,
Hmm.
before the match even finished, they tweeted that Taylor Holder won.
Yeah. So
And that was
basically,
deleted.
right. Taylor Holder was friends with someone in social gloves. That is what the rumor is, and they had decided another fight for Holder. Also, before Taylor fought, everyone was like, Taylor Holder is a badass. He's going to defeat everyone and anyone. He's basically the best fighter on the card, and he did not live up to the hype. I'm sorry
Commentators
to
were
say it.
so biased. Commentators were
Yeah.
so
And
biased.
yeah, when the fight started, everyone was like Taylor Holder is the better boxer. Although he's
Exactly.
not giving
Right.
any shots, he's a better
Why?
boxer.
And
They-
He
another
was just
they
reason-
standing
literally
behind trying to
fighting him.
defend.
Yeah.
See, guys. Another reason why everyone thought that Holder is going to win is because if you realize 1.5 years ago, got destroyed in Miami by Jake Paul. So everyone
Although he
thought
won 2 fights before
right.
Exactly.
Agreed. But
Jake
no-
Paul is another level. Like
right.
Jake Paul,
Jake Paul.
KSI,
We'll get to that. So again, Arjun, do you know Austin McBroom or Bryce Hall?
Yes, I know Austin McBroom and Bryce Hall. I haven't watched any TikToks of Bryce Hall, but I've seen many
Why
YouTubers
haven't you watched
talk
TikToks?
about
Because it's banned
because
in India.
yeah, first of all, it's banned, and I don't like that type of
Okay.
content.
Okay, yeah. So what were your thoughts on the the main card, McBroom versus?
See, everyone was thinking like McBroom will lose because he's a dad, and he had a
He's
dad body
30.
before this fight. Yeah. He has literally 2 kids.
Yeah,
I'm not
yes,
wrong.
yeah.
His channel is
Really?
about family content.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
is
so-
not, which is all right. You know why? Matlab, we might laugh on it, but he's getting
But
monetized.
he's getting
He's
so
not
much
swearing.
money.
Yeah,
He's
the
getting
Itna
views
paisa
are
milta
coming
hai.
in, boy.
I mean,
Yeah.
family stuff is what earns the most on
Yeah.
YouTube.
No,
Right,
finance
right.
earns the most actually. Finance is crazy.
Beauty also.
Yeah, family is like
Yeah.
top 5, but
Some Ryan's toy reviews also there, no?
ये
Oh,
तो that's
yeah.
तो kids
Yeah.
Earns more than PewDiePie.
That's
Acha.
insane how much money these guys
So
earn.
of course, Bryce Paul / Jake, with the third Paul brother, he did not live up to his words. He was saying that he's going to knock out Austin McBroom and all that stuff.
40
So he was
street
basically, yeah, 40 street is undefeated
And
by
he's
the
a
way.
street fighter.
And then after the fight,
Yeah.
after
Yeah, he
the
only
fight, he
played Street
claims ki-
Fighter. That's why he had
He
40
literally
street
set
fighter.
up so much.
Yeah,
He was
exactly.
telling that his kids.
He was
will
like,
think
I'm a
he's
fighter, I will
loser.
destroy him.
I'm a
Yeah,
fighter. And in the post fight interview, he was like, I'm not a fighter.
I never said I
claimed
was
to
a
be
fighter. Yeah.
So
And
initially he
everyone
was
roasted him for
bragging. He was
Yeah.
bragging. Matlab he was Jake Paul ripoff.
Yeah,
Literally
exactly.
a TikTok Jake Paul ripoff. And even the press conference when we saw it, we realized that this guy is not going to win. Matlab, where in the world do you see a guy pushing someone and then literally getting knocked down by your own push? When does that happen? And by the way, he did bite Austin McBroom's leg also after that.
What?
Yeah, I saw.
What?
If you see some clips, usme he's literally grabbing Austin McBroom's leg and he's biting it.
My God.
Although, did you guys see after the fight, Bryce Deji and told that he was a KSI and
Yeah,
Deji-
Yeah.
KSI and Deji
He
fan,
got
yeah.
humbled. He got humbled.
He got
So
mega
talking about
humbled.
KSI, the day of the press conference, Bryce Hall, like an idiot, was calling out KSI, thinking that he'll be able to beat KSI. And the thing started when I guess in Sidemen ka video when KSI said कि Austin McBroom is going to win, and then Bryce Hall
Yeah.
2-3 शॉट डाले उसने KSI पे and उसके बाद उसने when KSI and Logan का second fight हुआ, he also was bragging about the fact that KSI is shit, he has no technique and all that. So basically the beef went on. KSI made 3 videos on Bryce Hall, and Bryce Hall is like, once
He
I'm done
didn't
with
make 3
Austin
videos
McBroom.
on Bryce Hall, 3 titles on Bryce Hall. Videos
Okay,
हमेशा
3
उसके बारे में
title.
नहीं
Yeah.
था.
So guys, you must have realized by now कि KSI's overprotective boyfriend is not Mini Minter, it's Rishabh. But yeah,
What the heck?
getting back over here. हाँ, तो KS, so basically अगर Bryce Hall जीता, it was quite confirmed that he is going to fight KSI next, but that did not
Yeah.
happen. So basically after that, Brett Batch पे Austin McBroom and KSI went आगे पीछे. Brett Batch is an Instagram page that goes on in American influencer वाला talks पे. So KSI versus Austin McBroom is the fight that's going to happen quite soon. That is what
For the warm
is
up,
speculated
of Jake.
for KSI's warm up on Jake Paul. Talking about KSI versus Jake. Okay, you know what? Before that, what were your thoughts on freaking FaZe Jarvis
Exactly,
destroying
that's the
a
best
50
fight.
destroying a 50 million TikTok follower guy?
I mean, I was surprised. I saw Jarvis's followers have like 5 million. Okay.
5 million, exactly.
And Michael's 50 million followers. I'm like,
Yeah,
what
right.
the hell
Exactly.
does
Like,
this guy
who
even
is
do?
this guy?
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
he dances with his younger brother. That's what he does on
that's
TikTok.
yeah.
God.
That's literally his content.
That's us, bro. That's us.
Let's go.
So, what were your thoughts on the fight, Arjun?
Bro, it felt like Jarvis wanted to be unbanned from Fortnite. That was his passion. That's fueling.
Michael Lee is the epic employee.
Yeah, the epic employee was in front of him.
The
Like, boom.
memes, bro. Saurav, what did you think about FaZe Jarvis? Matlab, for him, it being his first fight, what were your thoughts on him?
I mean, FaZe Jarvis was really an underdog because in FaZe videos he was really not that athletic or great. Although he prepared really well for the 3 months and
Yeah.
proved himself. And yeah,
Shant is the fellow FaZe member, yeah. Of course, he will support him only.
Rishant is in phase, by the way.
Yeah, let's just.
that's
not
why
get
we
that.
call
He has
him
Jarvis's
FaZe
phone
Sharp.
number.
I'm tired of the FaZe memes, guys. Let's move on.
But
So,
yeah, 200
Michael
kiya
Lee,
मतलब.
matlab, what I think, although to be very honest, when I see Michael Lee versus Jarvis again, the fight should have been stopped in first round, just like Deji versus Vinny Hacker could have gone. Like Deji was don't get me wrong, Deji was getting beaten up, but it could go on. Matlab stoppage and 10 count wala kar sakte the, but social clubs,
Obvious
I
था,
can't
obvious था,
debate
but
with them.
it obvious था कि हारने वाला.
Yeah.
Social
वही
club.
तो मतलब माइकल ली का सेकंड राउंड डिमोलिशन नहीं देख पाते हम वरना.
Yeah,
Arjun,
that's
mute
true.
yourself.
Hmm.
So now we can get to Logan Paul versus Floyd Mayweather, which all of you thought that
But
Logan
that
Paul is
was-
basically gonna die. Logan Paul is
That
he's
was
going
kind
to
of
get
a shock.
shitted out.
I
He's going
mean,
to
the
wake up
reach
in heaven.
difference, the height difference. the
That
weight
doesn't
difference
matter.
was a lot.
Everyone, no.
Weight
Till the fight
difference.
day, everyone thought that Logan Paul is going to wake up in heaven. Okay.
No,
And-
I didn't think that
Well, why will he
because
wake up
a
in
height
heaven?
difference.
Look at freaking Reddit, bro. हर जगह Twitter पे, Reddit पे, when the fight
But
was announced,
you can't say he won. He still lost, but he
of
survived.
course he lost.
He survived.
No, हाँ तो that itself is a W for Logan,
Yeah.
na, especially fighting against arguably the best boxer of all time because he's undefeated. Floyd Mayweather is undefeated.
He's
I
still
mean,
undefeated.
if Mayweather was in his prime time, he would have knocked.
Of course,
Yeah,
then
that
Logan
is
Paul
true,
would
of
have been
course,
right.
that is
Probably,
obviously.
probably.
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 Bro, almost 100%.
There is a reason
Guarantee.
there's weight difference in boxing now, Rishabh. There is a reason.
can't say probably.
Probably.
Logan Paul.
Likely.
No, man.
Likely. I'm
Not likely.
Yeah, what? I'm not going to
Surely.
say Floyd freaking Mayweather could knock out Logan Paul. I'm not going to agree to it even in his prime because Floyd Mayweather has always been the best defensive boxer. You aren't talking about Mike Tyson over here. It's Floyd Mayweather. The reason he wins is because he's the best defensive boxer. He knows how to analyze his opponent and he can basically get a counter punch and have 50 freaking different strategies against any world-class boxer, including Pacquiao or Canelo.
So Logan Paul is not a world-class boxer. No, he's Logan
Exactly,
Paul.
Yeah,
huh?
exactly.
That-
He's not
so
a
the
good
thing-
Logan Paul.
I don't think he would have knocked out Paul even then. I seriously don't.
Bro.
Nah, man.
Okay,
That-
you guys can.
that's
It's
actually
my
delusional.
opinion. Okay, I'm delusional. Yep, definitely. So, who do you think? Talking about being delusional, who do you think is gonna win KSI versus Jake Paul if it happens?
Of course, yeah. Question ही है क्या?
Yeah, what this is.
Easy.
Okay. Can you please back up with why you think so, Rishabh?
I
Oh, you know what?
don't.
You know
I
what? You
just
know what?
know.
Stop.
Don't worry,
Stop.
yaar.
Saurav and Arjun, why do you think so? What do you think? KSI?
I think KSI will win the fight
Hmm. Arjun?
because first of all he won against Logan Paul. Although it was a really close fight, they both gave their best.
Don't
Right.
say close, yaar.
Although one of them
Rishabh,
cheats
hey,
three
Saurav,
times, so
wait for a
is
second.
biased.
Rishabh, you're being a freaking prick right now. Honestly, just shut up. I'll leave the podcast right now. Just shut up, bro. You're annoying me. Okay? Cool down. Don't be itna biased. We are talking from a podcast point of view over here. We are gonna be balanced.
I am also
Okay?
balanced only.
Saurav, please go on. Yeah, this guy will never stop. Silly goose.
Yeah.
I mean the
KSI
KSI versus Logan fight was really close.
Agreed.
It was a split decision,
Not
and
really.
I don't think any common man can actually rank the fight. Like only a special person can do it, which speak for itself that it was a really close fight. And I think Logan Paul can beat Jake Paul easily.
Acha, you think that
That is
Logan is a
why I
better
think,
fighter than
yeah,
Jake? Acha, right.
yeah.
Okay,
I
I
would
get
also
it.
say Logan Paul beats Jake Paul.
Hmm. Arjun, what do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'll be a close fight. It won't be like a very
Ah,
easy victory for any one of them. It'll
so do
be
you
close.
think that KSI will knock out Jake Paul?
No,
I don't
I
think
don't
so.
think that. No, I don't think that.
Okay, so it will be another
KSI is
split
overhyped. KSI is overhyped.
Fam.
Okay,
His ability is overhyped. Yeah,
okay.
bro.
So
He
He's
this,
barely won
undefeated.
against
He's still
Logan Paul.
undefeated.
Yeah, why?
but he's
If you
fought
win by
only
1
two
point, you're
opponents.
still undefeated.
He's
Don't worry,
he's
na.
he's just fought two opponents.
He'll fight 3 na in like a year or so, and then he'll become undefeated. Still.
What do you guys think about KSI versus McBroom?
Easy fight. That's actually
Why-
an easy fight नहीं बोलूँगा फिर
नहीं,
मेरा
नहीं, नहीं,
draw
नहीं,
हो
I'll
जाएगा.
kill close
Big.
fight, close fight.
It will be
I
a
think even that will be a close fight because McBroom turned out really good there. Bryce is not a bad fighter, but
Bryce
the way he
McBroom ka
boxed,
Nahi,
footwork
nahi.
was very impressive for it being his first fight. Although he's
Yeah,
old,
but-
मतलब actually not he's around KSI's age only, but
yeah, like
it-
5 years, 5-6 years.
it will be an interesting fight to watch. अगर knockout हुआ तो मजा आ जाएगा. I want KSI to genuinely win that fight because whoever wins that fight is going
He
to fight
needs to
Jake
win
Paul.
that fight. He has
He needs
everything to
to.
lose. He has
Yeah, if he
everything.
loses it, then game over.
I mean, if KSI loses, Jake Paul will
Yeah,
automatically be the YouTube champion.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah,
And then
exactly.
McBroom will fight Jake Paul then. That's what is
Yeah.
going to happen.
I don't
Jake
think
Paul
that
wins
will
that.
be a
Jake Paul
hype
wins
fight.
that. Jake
नहीं,
Paul
नहीं,
wins
नहीं,
that
man. No
easily.
one will care about me.
I mean the Americans में होएगा but UK versus America वाला वो audience नहीं आएगा ना फिर.
Then we'll see KSI in YouTube versus TikTok 3.
No, it's
Yes. KSI is
talking-
Michael Lee.
Talking about YouTube versus TikTok. What do you think about the female boxing scene? I mean Tana
I have
Mongoose.
no idea.
Again,
I have not that
no
idea.
no
I
idea.
just do
नहीं है
know
ना.
that these. Yeah, मतलब it was there. I don't know कभी
Idea तो
confirm
है,
होगा कि
idea तो
नहीं.
है.
But do you think it will sell pay-per-views? That's what the question is.
I mean, if big figures
It can actually.
who are involved in the YouTube scene fight, yeah.
But
Even if it does
there
not
needs to be
matter.
there needs to be a huge main fight
See,
उसके लिए बहुत
It'll
बड़ा
be
main
like
fight.
WWE Diva, the type of that.
Like Logan Paul.
Although it
versus
might
KSI
not be
बड़ा
that
चाहिए.
hit because usually girls or I mean female viewers audiences are there for a different reason. If you're watching
Yeah,
KSI,
yeah,
you're there for
exactly.
the beef.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a
That's
different reason why people watch these.
Exactly. हाँ, so-
Okay.
And that depends.
Okay.
I mean,
Pay-per-view.
FaZe
I
Rock
don't think it
is
will
also
sell
going
that
to
much.
fight.
I don't. वो देखो बहुत बड़ा नाम चाहिए उसके लिए.
Yeah.
जैसे कौन तू बता. Do you think that
I have no idea.
Tana Mongoose is not a huge name? Of
Tana
Korean
versus Koreanakov, nah.
Yeah, I mean that's a huge
that's
fight.
actually
If
pretty
you,
No, I mean, they could have a
See if-
WWE proper female wrestler come. Like there are a lot of WWE female wrestlers.
yeah, but then WWE is scripted, no?
Yeah,
So basically-
Yeah, but
bro, you
still,
think
but
WWE
MMA.
is real?
Exactly, it's scripted, but still, like the famous names who are involved in like
I mean,
fighting.
right. They know how to fight.
Yeah,
It's
of
not
course,
that
of
just
course.
because they are actors doesn't mean that they don't know how to fight at all.
Yeah.
That's
Ray
their
Mysterio हम लोग को
completed.
सबको हरा देगा.
So right now, what do you think is next in the influencer boxing scenario? We know that FaZe Rug versus Alden Ross is happening. Do you guys know who Alden Ross is?
Of course.
FaZe Rug, Alden
No.
Ross are.
I know.
No, I don't know Alden Ross. I don't know
Facebook
who
का
Alden
नाम
Ross.
सुना.
बता देना.
I have seen
Please,
the
if you
face
know who
run.
if you know
Adrian
who
Ross
Alan
is
Ross
Twitch
is.
streamer. He basically got popular because of inviting rappers in his house.
That is
Oh,
a
what?
that is a good way of
Very
putting
Yeah,
it.
unusual.
actually, yeah, सच में वैसे ही तो हुआ. And Rise
देखिए.
Game, and the best
Bro,
पता है ना, Adrian Ross is the
did he
reason why
plant
Rise Game
drugs
is
in your
irrelevant.
house?
Adrian
एक
Ross
एक
is the
करके बात
reason
करो.
why Rise Game is relevant.
Yeah,
थोड़ा.
that's true. That is so true.
Exactly.
But
Twitch पे.
it's very sick कि a platform where gaming is so famous. Aaron Ross just starting. He's a male. No hot tub streams इतने ज़्यादा. No, people don't come of that. It's just that he's very entertaining. And
Yeah.
of course, the rappers thing come beach mein. That is there. And
Beach
he's in
मतलब
a
90% of the time.
he's in an influencer house. नहीं मैं उसके streams उतने ज़्यादा नहीं. But if you think that fight happens, who wins?
I have no idea.
But FaZe Rug is quite
I
small.
think Rug loses.
FaZe Rug
I don't know
छोटा है
about
ना.
that. FaZe Rug is very small. I love
He's
Big,
5'6".
big, big. You cannot underestimate the face members, guys.
That is
You saw what Jarvis
Bro,
did.
but
I mean, FaZe Rug is a really good guy. He sends a lot of positive energy, but in
True,
fighting, I don't think so, man.
I don't know, man. But
Hmm.
looking at him, you can't really see him winning.
What is next for Gib?
Gib is
Again,
अभी तो
he'll
थोड़ा
fight
chill
someone.
मारेगा.
Yeah, he'll now start uploading FIFA videos.
Then
now.
he might go on the undercard of Jake Paul versus KSI.
Against whom am I? Matlab,
That
who do you
is,
think?
so that will be, so तब तक someone will call him out. Someone will call
Don't
him
you
out.
think
Yeah,
Gib versus Jarvis is a good fight?
No.
Oh,
There's
I
there's
think Jarvis will get
between them,
knocked.
ना.
yeah.
Yeah.
Why
Or
will
is the
Jarvis
weighing
take that?
difference
I don't
भी है
know why.
ना?
I don't know if Jarvis would fight him.
I mean, Jarvis is
I
a
don't
good
think he would
boxer,
fight.
but the amount of
Because-
experience
yeah.
Gib has,
Yeah.
it's a different league.
You know why I say Jarvis won't fight him? Because if Gib versus
UK.
Jarvis happens, then UK, the whole UK backs Gib. That includes KSI, पूरा side में ना, and then they will start ना कि Jarvis is bad, so इसको कितना hate मिलेगा उस side से.
Oh
उसका
yeah, I
थोड़ा
don't think
connection
Yeah,
हट
exactly.
जाएगा.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
think
think
Jarvis
It's
will
the
will
fight.
YouTube
stop.
community
Jarvis will
fighting.
stop.
Yeah.
He'll be like, I don't want to fight anymore.
I mean, most of the people who watch Sidemen, they watch Gib, they watch FaZe, they watch Jarvis.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but most of them will back Gib.
Yeah, because
Yeah, even I
UK.
think that most of them will back Gib, especially after his performance against Shoulder.
Yeah.
Bryce Hall is not going to fight again anytime soon.
Yeah,
No, he'll
no
just die. Yeah,
chance.
no chance.
Speak-
Bryce Hall
Speaking
versus
of-
Desi
He'll fight
would have
Ryan
been
Boys
good.
Yeah,
with you.
that's there. But then they settled their beef, na Saurav, after the fight.
They
had
both
done
were
something.
scared.
Exactly.
Bicep
But do you
versus
think-
भाई
Jarvis-
एक जन का career खत्म हो ही जाएगा. If that fight
वही.
happens, one person career dies.
But I really think कि ना Bryce Hall is basically scared of getting back in the ring. मतलब after he got demolished. He got
Yeah.
demolished in the worst way possible. He got knocked out. By the way, he had a 1 million bet with Austin McGee.
Yeah,
Do you have
that
any
one
idea
बोलने
about
वाला
that?
Yeah.
1 mil, and he had to clean his house.
No, that I don't think he did that. That
Yeah,
was just
beef,
for.
yeah, but he had to clean
I
his
mean, they
house.
sorted out the beef on the ring later.
Wait. And Rishabh, if you think that whatever they say everything is true, then bro, then you are
I'm pretty sure
delusional.
he paid him 1 mil. कुछ
Yeah,
something
that
like that.
that
That
okay,
didn't
okay,
matter.
okay.
He got paid 5 mil just to step on the ring.
Yeah, but
Didn't you guys
20%,
hear about that?
20% going to him. That's kind of sad, na?
That's actually sad.
Mm.
So Jake Paul is fighting another UFC fighter in
And this is a proper
August.
one, I think.
Yeah,
This is a proper fighter.
I mean, this guy is technically retired, but he is an ex champion of
वो
UFC.
असली में थोड़ी ना फाइट करेगा, रिटायर्ड को ही फाइट करेगा. उसके बाद भी रिटायर्ड वाले बंदे को ही फाइट करेगा. असली में टाइम आएगा उसका.
I really, सौरभ कभी कभार मुझे मन करता है कि ऋषभ should go fight Jake Paul. मतलब he is such a dickhead. Rishabh, you're such a dickhead, bro. Every freaking time, man. You need to be annoying. You need to be so annoying.
Let's go.
But so do you think this guy is, and again, Tyron Woodley is another short guy. That's what I hate about Jake Paul. He's not fighting someone, matlab his height or someone taller than him.
Size and height.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So do you think he's going to defeat another? This guy's good, by the way.
See,
He has a lot of knockout
I will
power.
always bet against Jake Paul.
But okay, from a biased point of view, do you think that Jake
Against.
Paul will defeat? Okay, piss off.
I
Sorry,
think he will win the Paul.
knockout.
No.
No, not a knockout. Not a knockout. Not a chance. But I think he will
think there's
come
going to be a
at the top.
knockout. I think it's going to be a knockout. Like
Against
I
Jake
in
Paul.
round.
Jake
Yeah,
Paul
Jake
will
Paul-
knock it out.
Jake Paul is
I
going.
support you. I support you.
Jake Paul is going to knock out Tyron Woodley and under 3 rounds. That's what I think is going to happen on August 28th. But after that, he's again McGregor के पीछे पड़ा है यार. नहीं उसे fight करना उसके साथ समझ में नहीं आता है.
Why
The
will
gotcha
McGregor
hat
fight
incident.
him?
Guys, the gotcha hat incident.
That was
Apparently,
amazing. That was
it was what the reason Jake Paul is able to sell pay-per-views is because of pricks like Rishabh, who are so salty, who want to see Jake Paul get knocked out. Jake Paul is so annoying. Everyone wants to see him get
He's
knocked
a
out.
successful Bryce Hall.
Yeah.
Technically, because he's successful trash talker. Bryce Hall is unsuccessful trash talker.
Yeah.
By the way, did you guys see the referee's reaction in the
Yeah.
fight
The
and how
referee
much he
stole the
was
show.
involved in it?
Yeah.
The referee stole the show, guys. The tall referee, bro. He stole the show. Matlab even Gibb, he was in the undercard Gibb versus Holder. मैं also
Yeah.
जब
When he
reaction
was
हुआ,
showing his cards.
his
Yeah,
exactly.
the result.
Yeah. And even when he was, it felt as if he was Bryce Hall's principal when he was
My
shouting.
God.
I mean, that guy was literally so tall. Taylor Holder is
Yeah.
like the Taylor Holder look. Yeah,
was
and
looking like a
Okay, you aren't allowed to say that. Yeah.
Shan will get offensive, yaar.
Yeah, whatever.
This is
Bro, I love
6'1".
TikTok, bro. What are you talking about? I'm 6'1", bro. You can't call me that, Arjun. That's rude.
5-1. 5-1 hai to.
Rishabh, can we not get into that again, please?
Let's go.
You are proven wrong every freaking time you debate with me, so shut up. Acha, talking about debating, Logan Paul is in the United Kingdom. Do you think that he's going to do a collab with Sidemen?
100%.
Or-
Yeah, to kal aayega na? Yeah, 100%. Sidemen
I
will-
So,
think
yeah.
that would be the internet will break because two
Yeah.
of the biggest.
Tinder? What type of video do you think it will be?
That is
Tinder,
the
possibly.
Tinder.
I
Actually, Tinder
think so.
possible. Tinder would be really good.
Tinder will be. कभी किया था
Yeah,
उन्होंने
it
last
will be
Tinder?
there.
I think 3
Africa
months
and
ago.
Sidemen Tinder.
Yeah,
Africa
that will be.
KSI
And I
बोलेगा,
think कि
KSI, I beat that guy
हाँ,
over
बोलो.
there. ऐसा कुछ बोलेगा.
I think. मुझे भी लग रहा. I think Tinder would be a good concept. It's coming tomorrow, right? Probably he's going
4
to be
महीने
there
हुआ है.
tomorrow.
yeah, we'll see tomorrow.
Yeah, and KSI, I think Logan is also going to conduct a podcast over there with KSI.
हो सकता है. Yeah, I think yeah.
मतलब in the UK. I mean, दोनों का फिर benefit
Benefit
होगा ना.
होगा. फिर more
इसलिए.
Sidemen भी होगा.
Yeah.
I think. They might play a game or
Right.
something.
More Sidemen. Logan Paul knows how to play football, what apparently in America is known as soccer. Boo. But yeah. And Rishabh does not know anything about soccer, so let's not football. So
I
let's
am
not get
biggest
into
fan
that.
यार. क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
There you go.
So if we, अच्छा चल ठीक है. If we have a tier list right now, क्या क्या होते हैं ऋषभ tiers? S
S A B D F.
S A B C D. ठीक है.
A,
S
B,
A
C,
B
D,
C
F.
D. ठीक है. The fighters are Jake Paul, KSI, Logan Paul, Gibb, Bryce Hall, Deji, Jarvis. So who do you think, and Austin McBroom, who do you think goes where?
पहले let's start from S.
Yeah.
KSI and Jake Paul.
No,
Yeah.
no one would go in there.
KSI, Jake Paul, I'll add Logan also there for petty.
Yeah.
Hey, Rishabh, just get out of the podcast already. Get out of the podcast already. Why are you being so annoying right now? No, genuinely speaking, I think ki KSI and Jake Paul is in S tier because Logan Paul has never won a fight. Technically, in 3 fights, he's never won.
Yeah.
Either drew or lost, and that's annoying. Or an
Unwinnable.
exhibition mein undecided.
That is
I
not
wish you get
undecided.
in the
That
ring
is
with him
clear
also.
victory, but
I wish you get in the ring with him and then you call him unwinnable. No, that's when you are another trash talker, Rishabh. You are basically Bryce Hall Indian version. That's what you are. हाँ तो KSI, Jake Paul, S tier, A
Walmart.
tier,
Bryce.
Walmart.
A tier कौन?
Yeah, Logan Paul.
Logan Paul A tier.
Logan Paul. कौन
McBroom.
McBroom. Yeah,
But
okay,
Logan McBroom is B tier.
Yeah, I would say McBroom is B tier. Logan
And
Paul, I
Jarvis
think-
is also B tier.
Yeah, Jarvis.
Yeah,
I
we
think
haven't seen
Gibb-
them.
Jarvis, I'll put in
Logan
C
Paul
tier.
once.
Gibb को A डाल दे. Gibb को
That's
lower A. Put Gibb in lower A.
Yeah, I'll put given lower A. Right,
Yeah.
right. And
I
Bryce
mean,
Hall.
Deji will slap Jarvis though if
Deji
they
should not
fight.
even be on the list. Yeah.
I
Deji
don't
को
think
निकाल
so.
दो.
I don't. I मतलब after his last, but
I
like
mean,
Jake Paul के साथ देख, I'll explain you why everyone hyped Jake Paul का improvement from his fight against Deji in 2018 to इतना अच्छा right now. So we basically thought कि 2018 से अभी Deji would have been amazing too. But we didn't realize कि Deji stopped training and he gained a lot of weight बीच में. We all of us
2018
forgot
was his
that.
best fight.
Yeah. और मतलब दो ही फाइट हुए तो yeah 2018 was better than 2021 का. And Jarvis, so
Deji is the only person to give Jake Paul a hard fight.
I
yeah,
mean,
right.
Jarvis is really good, but I don't think he's like a professional boxer yet because I don't think he has trained that much yet. I still think Deji will clap him, even the
Yeah,
height and
No,
weight.
I think
yeah,
Deji would lose. Right now, Deji would lose. I would say Deji would lose.
yeah, because he lost to Vinny Hacker na recently. And do you think Vinny
Yeah,
Hacker is better than Jarvis?
yeah.
Okay, I don't think
Winnie
so.
Hacker fought really
Nah,
good.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Let's go.
Well,
Opposing.
oh well हो गया इधर.
Oh
Okay, let's
well.
not get into that.
To be fair
Nope.
though,
Yeah, to be fair though. Do you think that Bazinga or Rocha will ever, do you think Bazinga will ever fight Rice Gum or Rice Gum will just back out?
Risegum will
Nah,
never fight.
Obviously,
they
Rice
won't
Gum
Ryzen
will
fight.
will
They
never
won't
push out.
fight.
fight. But Rice Gum is so
Risegum is his
Have you
brother.
compared
seen
to
that guy's
Bazinga.
weight?
He's so light. Exactly. But he must be like 50s.
Oh my
Wait.
god.
And Bazinga on the other end is on a different level.
Yeah,
He's like 90, right?
Yeah, उसके
85.
आसपास.
Yeah, Bazinga is so heavy compared to him.
But Bazinga's not fat, bro. He's fit.
yeah, he's
He's
fit
very
now.
fit.
He's
Yeah, he
fit.
has muscle
He
mass.
has a lot of muscles. Yeah.
Right.
Hmm.
So, anything else we have to cover?
और कुछ है क्या? I think we covered
Yeah.
everything, na?
Abhay, no. One thing regarding Insomniac, one last thing. So, guys, we are probably going to release clips on our Instagram page, IGTV or Reels. That's up to Rishabh. On Wednesdays, probably about the last episode ka. So make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. Oh my God, subscribe to our
Subscribe,
YouTube
yeah.
channel and follow our Instagram page at the rate of insomniac.mp3. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.